Hi everyone, this is Grace Industries, also known as Grace Firefighter, and we're here at the 2018 FDIC show in Indianapolis, Indiana. Grace is known as the world leader in NFPA-compliant standalone pass alarms and firefighter accountability systems. We're here today to talk about two deadly problems on the fire ground. These are both two strong contributing factors documented in many line-of-duty death reports. First is poor communications. Poor communications caused by poor analog or digital voice radio systems, or a variety of any other problems that you may have with your system. Or it's also just the way that the system is used. Poor communications is a documented factor in many line-of-duty deaths. Second is poor firefighter accountability, often due to the lack of an accountability system, or just the way the accountability system is being used. Poor firefighter accountability is a documented factor in many line-of-duty deaths. Grace Firefighter solves both of these problems by introducing a new way to protect all firefighters at all times and in all environments. The Grace T-Pass is the ultimate tool in firefighter accountability when used with in-command, emergency signaling, and automated intelligent accountability systems. So right now, I want you to think about your voice radio PAR check. Think about what happens when the PAR is called. The microphone is keyed, and all the fireground operations are ceased, while the voice acknowledgments are being received from the firefighters. So what do you hear? You hear muffled voices, unintelligible voices, background noise. Chaos is just one way to describe it. Watch how in-command is used on its own wireless system to send the in-command RF electronic PAR call without ever having to key the microphone on the voice radio system. RF automated evac can be sent to selected firefighters or to the entire fireground. Here's an evac being sent. It's being received, acknowledged by the firefighter, and now we have a thumbs up. Now let's talk about firefighter Mayday. If you have ever listened to radio traffic from a fatal incident, the firefighter calling Mayday is under duress, and it's difficult to understand, identify, and chaos is just one way that we can describe it. Again, here's a Mayday being received by in-command. We no longer have to rely on the voice radio system. In-command Mayday monitoring immediately identifies who's in alarm. To sum things up quickly, here's what you need to know. The standalone T-Pass 5, along with in-command emergency signaling and automated accountability, solves the problem of poor communication. It solves the problem for poor firefighter accountability. Again, these problems are both two documented factors in many of line-of-duty deaths. Grace T-Pass 5 with in-command solves these problems. I also need to mention that Grace standalone NFPA-compliant pass alarms keep the firefighter NFPA 1500 compliant at all times and in all environments. We have three models of NFPA-compliant standalone pass alarms. All three are now used as the firefighter's primary pass alarm. The Super Pass 5 is an audio-only pass alarm. The T-Pass 5 is both an audio alarm and an RF wireless pass used with the in-command systems. But wait, there's more. When the Super Pass 5X is purchased, it can be used as only an audio pass and then field upgraded in the future to be used as a T-Pass. With all three of these products, the firefighter is NFPA compliant at all times in all environments. You can learn more at our website at gracefirefighter.com. We're Grace Firefighter, and thank you for watching.